Did you know 90% of home cooks only use one method to cook rice? Let's change that. We're diving headfirst into the world of rice with 15 different cooking techniques. First up, the classic stovetop method. Just rice, water, a pot, and patience. Next, the rice cooker. Set it and forget it. For those in a hurry, try the Instant Pot. It's rice in a flash. Want fluffy rice? Steaming is your go-to. Or bake it in the oven for a no-fuss approach. For a nutty flavor, sauté it first with the pilaf method. Fried rice fans, get your veggies and proteins ready. Risotto lovers, grab that broth and stir away for creamy goodness. In a rush, microwave it. Sushi aficionados, don't forget the vinegar trick. Boost flavor by cooking in broth instead of water. Or use a traditional pressure cooker for speedy results. Soaking rice can save you cooking time, perfect for basmati. Create a one-pot meal with veggies and spices. Or try coconut milk for a tropical twist. There you have it. 15 ways to make your rice truly shine. Happy cooking.